Welcome to video number 2, and here we are going to discuss careers that will be defining. So let's jump in without wasting any time. So let's see what's happening with Ruby. Ruby's curiosity about AI careers is growing, and she's well aware about the technological evolution, especially AI impacting careers across all domains. She is, however, unaware about specific careers that are now particularly in demand. So Dhruvi's curiosity is piqued and she envisions a future brimming with endless possibilities. So let's join her on this thrilling ride into the world of cutting edge professionals. So in this era where humans are trying to grow with machines, as automations infiltrated the job market, the day has set actually, if you say, upon conventional career choices. Approximately more than 12 million people are being added to the workforce in the country. Just imagine the kind of competitive environment that will foster when it comes to traditional jobs. So each and every prospective candidate will have to go and understand about the different career trends. Lucky for us, India has made the cut among the top 3 countries to lead the world in AI skills. Be it robotic process automation or compliance and integration, the opportunities in this domain are endless. And we also see there is a rise in digital transactions as further manifested investments in blockchain, which gives rise to careers like a blockchain specialist. A career like digital marketing specialist or lead generation specialist is making the case for non-technical job profiles. So let's get into a list of careers that will define the next decade. First is blockchain developers. So developing blockchain protocols or optimizing them is the work of a blockchain developer. Obviously, it's complicated. Only the individual who is well versed in the dynamic of this blockchain evolution will be able to craft the architecture of blockchain systems and develop smart contracts and web apps using this blockchain technology. Then comes your artificial intelligence specialist. So, an artificial intelligence specialist works towards supplementing the operations across industries. The plethora of opportunities available in the domain of artificial intelligence makes it an exciting domain. And the flexibility enjoyed by the professionals gives them the chance to work with a diverse portfolio of clients and organizations. Having made their mark in the financial, health, as well as sport industries, there is a lot of potential to make their mark in sectors like law and geology. So AI will be a formidable force moving into this new decade, and it is believed that it has the potential to improve India's economy and cybersecurity. Then comes your robotic process automation or robotic process automation consultant. So robotic process automation can make a big difference for organizations who are troubled by repetitive everyday processes. And this RPA basically, robotic process automation, aims at speeding up tasks, which helps in improving efficiency and also results in higher client satisfaction. So automation is definitely going to be the new way of working. And the organization basically will focus on balance between the human and the digital workforce, which is like also robots or bots coming into the picture. So the role of an RPA developer extends beyond automation also and covers process design as well as automation architecture. Next comes growth manager. So profit and revenue growth happens to be a core objective for the most companies, and this requires each and every function to contribute towards the fulfillment of this goal. So in regards to this, in recent years, tech startups have introduced a new role in the structure, referred to as growth manager. So synonyms for the same can be growth hacker, growth PM, or head of growth, but the role stays the same. The function of a growth manager lies at the intersecting of marketing and product development and focuses on the customer and user acquisition, activation, retention, and even upselling to the consumer or customer. The growth manager works cross-functionally with engineering, design, analytics, product management, operations, and marketing to design and execute various growth initiatives. Then comes your site reliability engineer. So the role of site reliability engineers was born actually in Google in the year 2003, before the DevOps thing came into the picture, where the primary team of software engineers was actually made to come together to form Google's already large-scale sites more reliable, efficient, and scalable. So this team of experts who met at Google, they developed some practices that responded very well to Google's needs, and even other big time companies like Amazon, Netflix also adopted them, and they brought new practices to the table. So the site level engineers, they eventually became a full-fledged IT domain. And basically the task is to develop automated solutions for operational aspects like on-call monitoring, performance and capacity planning, and disaster response when it comes to websites or web operations. Then comes your full stack developer. So who is a full stack developer? Basically an engineer who can handle all the work of databases, servers, system engineers and clients, which are a part of the project. So in a full stack, it basically refers to the gathering of a series of technologies that is required to finish a particular project. So stack actually refers to a set of submodules, and these software submodules or components combine together to realize the established function, which can be done together without the necessity for other modules. So Python developer we've heard of, though, is often an internet developer, programmer, data analyst, data scientist, or an automation tester. And he can be using Python for his work. So simple access and increased demand are intriguing enough to become a Python developer. The demand caters well for job openings, and being the one with in-demand skills would assist you to stand out amongst your peers. Then comes lead generation specialist. So don't confuse this position with the requirement generation specialist that runs marketing automation programs. Lead generation specialist focuses on two main objectives: calling leads passed to sales from marketing to make sure that they meet the firm's requirements necessary to get a sales call done, and researching leads that meet the information requirements and interesting them so as to qualify them for sales. So both the jobs are important. And basically the task is that they work or they develop certain marketing strategies in such a way, it may be organic marketing or performance marketing, so that maximum leads are those who could be potential clients for the business is generated. Then comes the customer success specialist. So customer service roles are primarily reactive. They revolve around handling complaints and reacting to a client's challenges or helping them basically to use the product in a better way. So the role of a customer success specialist is also to figure out proactively within your business and together with your clients to realize a holistic solution for all that are involved. So easily confused with the customer service role, customer success may be a whole different kettle of fish. So customer success thoda alag hai, is focusing on how the clients can get success or can get a holistic solution for their problems with the company's products or services. So, the increasingly high-tech nature of the world we live in has resulted in new jobs being created to navigate the information age. This is the decade for unorthodox career opportunities. It is just about following your passion and aligning it with the right people. Seek and you shall find the career of your dreams. So these are just a few of the many career choices which will define the next decade. We should look at seizing the opportunities that come our way or make one if need be. So if you're ready to tread on an interesting career journey, or if you're thinking about it, then take the next step by going to the next video and learning more about the career trends that are upcoming. So we went through different careers here like blockchain developer, we saw artificial intelligence specialist, we saw robotic process automation consultant. We also learned about the careers as a growth manager, as a site reliability engineer, as a full stack developer, as a Python developer, as a lead generation specialist, and as a customer success specialist. So what happens to Dhruvi now? So Dhruvi is intrigued by this ever-changing world of careers. And with millions entering the workforce, she knows the importance of navigating wisely. As she explores this blueprint, she's captivated by exciting opportunities with blockchain developers to customer success specialists. And Dhruvi's journey of self-discovery and passion has just begun. In the next video, exploring about the emerging trends in education. So which of the aforementioned new age careers excites you? And in the chat box, which of these careers that were discussed, these 9 careers excited you and why? Mention at least one or two of them. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.